Hey folks, I'm Rob, welcome to vidIQ, and in this video we're going to talk about how YouTube Shorts should be available to all US creators within the next 24 hours. Go! Very quickly, just before we jump into this, apparently whenever I make one of these videos, I say shorts a lot. Shorts. Yeah, so let's play a little game with this. Starting from now, how many times do you think I'm going to say shorts, that's the first one for free, by the end of this video? Of course, you're going to have to watch the entire video to find the answer. That's what you call engaged watch time. Alright then, let's get down to business. YouTube Shorts, has finally arrived. Now, because I do long live streams on a Tuesday, I almost missed this. News outlets started to report that the YouTube creator blog had posted something about YouTube Shorts being released on March the 18th before quickly pulling the article. But as we all know, once something is on the internet, it never truly goes away, and it's especially satisfying to use Google's own tools to uncover YouTube's mishap. Because yep, this is a blog post. It does indeed say that YouTube Shorts are coming to the US today. The article is dated the 18th of March, and I'm recording all of this on the 17th. This is all very Back to the Future, isn't it? There are a lot of useful nuggets of information in this article, but I want to start with this as my final warning. If you want to have any sort of competitive edge when it comes to creating YouTube Shorts, you have to start making them now, and I mean right now. In late January, YouTube reported 3.5 billion daily Shorts views. Now, just 6 weeks later, that figure has doubled. It's pretty much the equivalent of every single person on the planet watching one YouTube Short every single day, or even more mind-bogglingly, 210 billion views a month, or 2.5 trillion views a year. That can't be right. Well, let's check out this stat. If you search for hashtag shorts, it will bring up this pivot table that shows that there are over 7.5 million videos, along with 1 million channels that are making content that include that hashtag. If we compare that to the last time I checked this screen, which was exactly 1 month ago, the numbers have nearly doubled. And this doesn't include all Shorts videos, just those with the hashtag. This is it, folks. The competition is already here, and in 24 hours, it's about to get even more competitive. Make a decision. If you're already sick and tired of Shorts, then just move on with your YouTube life, and why on earth are you watching this video? If you do still want to seize this opportunity, well, I've already made 25 videos talking about this topic. If you're not going to do it now, what is going to convince you to make a YouTube Short? Alright then, if you're still watching, I assume you're still interested in Shorts. So let's take a look at some of the new stuff YouTube are adding to something that most of us haven't even had a chance to use yet. The first one being text controls, allowing you to add text at specific points in your Shorts. Now this next one is fascinating from a creative perspective, and I'll just read it out straight from the blog. In the coming months, we'll launch the ability to use audio from videos across YouTube, which includes billions of videos worldwide, unlocking a new playground of creativity like never before. This means you can give your own creative spin on the content you love to watch on YouTube and help find it a new audience, whether it's reacting to your favorite jokes, trying your hand at a creator's latest recipe, or reenacting comedy skits. Creators themselves will be in control and will be able to opt out if they don't want their long-form video content remixed. Now, the important word here is opt out. Does that mean everybody automatically is opted in and they have to make a decision to remove themselves from this video sharing? That remains to be seen. In other copyright news, YouTube are making audio available from all of these music labels and publishers to be used in Shorts. That's going to lead to some very interesting questions for if and when creators can monetize their Shorts. This could also pave the way for a huge shakeup in how copyright is treated on all of YouTube, not just Shorts. But again, we'll have to wait and see. YouTube also talked about a seamless viewing experience where viewers would be able to easily jump from Shorts to long-form content and vice versa. So far, this is something that's been sorely lacking in the YouTube mobile app, making it difficult for Shorts channels to transition to long-form content. Throughout the blog post, YouTube mentioned a couple of times how the Shorts environment will continue to improve over time, which is a soft reminder that this is all still in beta. Now, of course, this is all very useful information and it's going to help out a lot of creators on their Shorts journey. There is still something that everybody ultimately wants to know about: YouTube Shorts monetization. This is what they said. YouTube has helped an entire generation of creators turn their creativity into businesses and become the next generation media companies. Over the last 3 years, YouTube have paid out more than $30 billion to creators, artists, and media companies. Shorts is a new way to watch and create on YouTube, so we're taking a fresh look at what it means to monetize Shorts and reward creators for their content. We are deeply committed to supporting the next generation of mobile creators with Shorts and are actively working on what monetization options will look like in the future. What I'm taking that to mean is that monetization for YouTube Shorts is still a long way away. I predict at some point by the end of the year. With all of these music labels and publishers signing up to allow their content to be used by creators, there's likely going to be some sort of revenue split going on there between YouTube, the musicians, artists, and the creators themselves. And when it comes to requirements, 4,000 hours of watch time, throw that in a bin. I would be surprised if YouTube used subscribers. In fact, it might be a brand new YouTube Shorts partner program, which every creator has to apply for. But again, that's very big, wild, random, controversial thinking. Now, one more thing. While at the top of the article, YouTube says that the official beta of Shorts is coming to the US today, at the bottom of the article, they say that they're rolling it out over the next few weeks. So don't blame me if you don't actually get Shorts today, tomorrow, whenever you're watching this video. Also, I live in Canada, so I have no idea if any of this is coming to me. Rather embarrassingly, I could be the last person on YouTube to get access to Shorts, even though I've talked so much about them in the last 6 months. All right, that's the end of the video, folks. How many times did I say Shorts? You wanted me to give you an answer? I wasn't checking.